Hey everyone, in this full guide, I'll show you how to edit cinematic videos in DaVinci Resolve in 2026. So whether you're creating travel films, YouTube videos, short films, reels, or dramatic montages, DaVinci Resolve gives you professional tools to create smooth and cinematic edits. First, open DaVinci Resolve and create a new project from the Project Manager screen. Next, import your video clips, background music, sound effects, and B-roll footage into the media pool. Now drag your clips onto the timeline inside the edit page and arrange them in the order of your story. To create a cinematic flow, trim unnecessary moments, and focus on smooth pacing between scenes. Music plays a huge role in cinematic editing. Add emotional or dramatic background music that matches the mood of your video. You can also create cinematic moments using slow motion or speed ramping effects during important scenes. For cinematic videos, use smooth transitions like fades, zooms, motion blur, or light leaks between clips. Once everything looks good, preview the full video carefully and then export the final version in high quality. And that's basically how to edit cinematic videos in DaVinci Resolve in 2026. With smooth pacing, cinematic color grading, music, and sound design, you can create professional-looking films directly from your PC or laptop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.